All are fine, children? Yes. Let's see what you have studied for all these days. We'll recall, okay? You have learned, children, S, N, P, T, A. Yes? Then B, M, R, L, O, C, D, H, F, E, G, J. Today you are going to learn a new letter, that is W, children. W says V. W says V. Okay. So, till last week, how many letters you have learned, children? You have learned 17 letters. Today you are going to learn the 18th letter, the alphabet in alphabet. Okay. So, how many letters we have to learn, children, still? We have to learn still 9 letters. Okay. So, already you have learned how many letters? 17 letters. So, completely in the alphabets there are 26 letters. In that 17 letters you have completed, and today you are going to learn the 18th letter. Okay. So, shall we color, children? Yes. See, from here you are going to color like this. Okay. Yes. See here. Yes. Does it look neat? Yes. See here. Like this you are going to color the letter, children. Shall we continue coloring like this? Yes, children. You can see now the letter W says V is looking colorful, doesn't it? Yes. Children, we will see few more pictures. Okay, with the letter W says V. W says V. You can see the picture here. This is well. What it is? It is a well. What do you mean by well, children? Do you know what is well? No? Yes. Well means it is a structure that created in the ground. Okay. It will be in a round shape which will be created in the ground. Okay. By digging or drilling. Digging means agdu bittu. Okay. Like that it will be there by digging. So where we will get the water? If you go on digging to the deep, you will get the water. Okay, using the pots or buckets, okay, you will pull the water. Here you will have a rope. With the help of that, you are going to draw the water from the well. That is well. Next one, it is a wall. Wall, what do you mean by wall? Wall means it's a continuous vertical brick or stone. It is continued with the, it is built with the stone or bricks. Okay. So that is a wall. For every building there should be a wall. Okay, to cover. That is wall. Next one is watch. Watch. Why do you use watch? Watch is used to see the time. Okay, you will put the watch. So watch will help us to see the time, to know the time. Water. Water, every human being requires water. Okay, without water we can't live, right? So, water is very important to our daily life. Next one, it is a wheel. What is wheel, children? Where do you use wheel? It is a circular object. It will be in a round shape. It will be moving, where you can fix it to the vehicle. Okay, it keeps on moving. When your vehicle is moving, it keeps on rotating, it keeps on revolving. Okay, so this is a wheel. Next, this is walrus. It is a animal, children. Okay, it is a large animal or mammal. Okay, this is a animal. Next one, it is a window. Do we need window, children? If there is no window, what will happen? We need window. Okay, window means it is a opening in the wall. You will have a wall, in between there will be a window. In your house, in the vehicle, in the classroom, you see the windows everywhere. There will be window. Why do we need window? We need window to get a good air, to get a light or to see out. So we need window. Next one, it is a watermelon. Watermelon, what is watermelon? It is a fruit, tasty fruit. Out it will be bigger. It will be with light green color with the stripes, and now with the dark green color. Inside you will cut it. When you cut it, inside there will be red color. Okay, and it will have a black seeds. And watermelon is good for our health, children, as it now summer is beginning, so you can have watermelon. Okay, so children, you have learned few words and its meaning. With the letter W says verb. Okay, children, moving on to the writing part, children, you are going to write the letter W. How do you write W? See here. Can see here one standing line, okay, then slant, little bit slant, touch upward, then from again here downwards, then again up. This is W. This is W. See here, one standing line, slant, from here top, again come down, again go up. Ulta M, it looks like M, no? If you turn the book like this, see here, it looks like same as M. Okay, but you are learning W. Okay, now we shall write W. How? See here, one standing line, slant, from the upper count down to the down slant, again go up. This is W. Standing line, slant line, from up, again coming down, again going up. It just from the like mountain, getting down from the mountain, climbing up like that. See here, from here top you will come down, you're getting down from the mountain, again going up to the mountain, again coming down, again going up. This is W. Okay, here again you see, from top, come down, go up, again come down, again go up. This is W. See here, down, go up, come down, again go up. This is W. Now we will see cursive letter W. See here, this is also slant, go up, come back, again go up, like this, W. Okay, like this. This is W. Okay, see here, slant, go up, come down, again go up, come down, and a small loop. See here, little bit slant, then go up, come down, again go up, come down, go up, and a loop here also. See here, like this, a slant, from there coming down, again going up, coming down, again going up, and a loop. That is W. We shall write the capital letter W here. See here, children, from the top line, that is from the red line, okay, come down, see here, like this, touch the third line, again go up, slant, touch the red line, coming down to the black line, again going up and touching the red line. This is W. See here, like touching down, going up, coming down, again going up. See here, one standing line. This is a standing line, right? From here, little bit slant line you make. Then from this top, come down to the downwards. Then again from here, go up. This is W, right? Standing line, slant, down slant, again standing or slant. Okay, this is W. Okay, see here, I'm putting the dotted ones like this. Okay, like this, W. Okay, I put the dots for 3 lines. Here you are going to write. Okay, here again capital letter W, like this. Okay, standing line, slant, coming down, again going up. From the upwards to the downwards, going up, coming down, again going up. This is W. Now the cursive letter, see here children. From the third line, go up, come back, again go up, come down, again go up and loop. Okay, slant, come back, down, go up, come down, again go up and loop. Okay, slant, go up, come down, again go up, down, go up, come down, go up and loop. This you are going to write only with the 2 lines here. Okay, yes. Before you write, practice in the slate, children. Okay, yes. Next again, go up, come down, go up, come down, again go up and a loop. From here one slant, come down, go up, come down and a loop, like this. This is W says verb. W says verb. And here children, you are going to recall what you have studied all these days. S says sir, N says n, P says per, T says ter, A says a, B says b, M says m, R says r, L says l, O says o. Then C says k, D says d, H says h, F says f, E says e, G says g, J says j, W says v. Okay. Next children, you move to the page number 33. Okay. Here you love to color, right? Yes. Here you are going to color the picture. Okay. I am using the pink color and the brown color, children. Okay. So, see here. First, we color this flower with the pink color, right? Yes. Okay. And here to this part, we are going to color with brown color. Okay. So, you will color this full page, children. Okay. Will you do? Yes. I hope you love coloring. Okay. Thank you, children.